Dear viewers, today in this video, we will demonstrate how to install Visual Studio Code for learning Python programming language. This will be useful for beginners in Python programming since it is the first step in learning Python. To see first programming in Python, please see the video up to the end. Please like, share, and subscribe to JS Academy for getting the latest videos. Dear viewers, now you see how to download and install Visual Studio Code in your system.
I will demonstrate you how to install Visual Studio Code for the Python language. And for this Visual Studio Code, first we open Microsoft browser or any other browser, and we write VS Code, Visual Studio Code, and search it. Then you can see the first link appear is the Visual Studio Code, and from here we can download it. But for the safety purpose, we download it from the Microsoft Store. It will be better to download it from the Microsoft Store. So we close it and we open Microsoft Store. And in this Microsoft Store, we search Visual Studio Code, VS Code, and this is appeared here. And from here we can install it. First we download it and we click install. It is being downloaded in our system. It will take some time. Here you can see that the Visual Studio Code has been downloaded. So we search this Visual Studio Code in app section. So we close it and we search from the list of all the apps, and here we search Visual Studio Code, and you can download it at any part of the system. Here we can see that Visual Studio Code is available and we install it. So we click it and it is open. So you can see that the Visual Studio Code is now open. But the language, as you know, that this Visual Studio Code can be used for writing the codes in the Python, JavaScript, HTML, C++, and some more language also. It support so many languages. So, but we before using it, we download the Python since we are interested about the Python. So we close it and open the Microsoft Store and we search Python. We see that the Python 3.11 app is available, and we click it and install it. So first we download it, click the install. It takes some time. In this way, from the Microsoft Store, we search the Python and we download it, and Python has been downloaded. From here you can see that it has been downloaded. We close it and we search in the app bar. We search the Python in app bar and here we see Python 3.11 is available. We click it and this is open. uh, it is open, so we close it, and we can see that in our system Python and Visual Studio Codes both are available. And from here you can see that I have also downloaded the PowerShell, and from Microsoft Store it can be downloaded, and it will help in the better functioning of the J- Python in Visual Studio Code. So now these two software have been installed in my system, and so first we try to open Visual Studio Code, and we want to make a simple program in Python language. Here you can see file, some types are given: file, edit, selection, view, go, run, terminal, help. And this is the first file, program 1, and we click it, create file. From here we can create the file, and but before this we save this file. So click the file and save as. We click this save as, and we save it in our system. And first we save it at the desktop, so it will be better to search it. And we write my first program, my first program, and dot py for the extension of in Python. And from here we see that Python is visible, and we save it in the desktop, and we see the file name has been changed, my first program in Python. And we can see it, my first program in Python, and it is available in the desktop. So again we open this Visual Studio Code, and now we want to write the first program in Python. So we can write the first program. First we want to learn how to print anything in as a string. String means some characters, not the numbers or float or decimal number. So we write print, 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 and after this we insert the bracket and double inverted comma, and we write the word that we want to see in the output. So first we write my first program in Python. In under the bracket and inverted comma, we write my first program in Python. So we click it, and we want to see the output of this program. So we click run and debug. From here, from this icon, we click this file to run it. So first we click it, and we want to run and debug as a Python. So from click here we click it, and from here we select the nature of the file, that is Python file. So we click Python for file, and as a Python we see that in output section of this screen, the output is visible, my first program in Python. You can see here, and from here we can delete it. The output we delete it, and again from this run Python file icon, from here we click it to run it again, and we can see the output is here, my first program in Python. So again we write one thing, same thing, to show you print bracket, double inverted comma, and we write any word or sentence. We write hello world, and we want to see how it is visible in the output. So first we delete the output from here we delete output, and again we run it. From here we can also run, or from this symbol, from this icon we can run it. So we click it, and we see in the output both the lines are printed here, my first program in Python, and in second line hello world is visible. So we see it that Python, we can write the code for the Python, and output we can see here. And in the next section we will show you some more programs and higher level programs to code it in Python and to see its output.